Noni morning to you. I love you. Allow your body to relax. Give permission to your body to relax. Breathe 3 times slowly and deeply. With the energy of love, bless everyone in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, in India, and the world with joy, love, peace, good health, and true wealth. Welcome to the 4th National Symposium of Noni Research. This is called Noni Search 2009. The theme of symposium is Noni for empowerment and prosperity.
Everywhere, even in the developed countries, we find that in spite of the medical facilities, large number of people are dying. And so that announcement of the wellness, what is defined by the Mr. Peter, again I thank him. He thinks in the total wellness of the people, not only in the terms of the treatment, but he thinks in that wellness. And when we think of the wellness, Noni is a wise option.
I quote Gandhiji to re-emphasize the need for nutritive food. Poor see God in food.
Gandhiji preached and practiced naturopathy, especially herbal medicines, to prevent and cure diseases. He created awareness among the people for having good health without medication in this fast-moving lifestyle with tensions and various at levels.
I feel that it is one crop which from very, very minor, it has emerged as a major, one of the crops being included in the horticulture sector.
A number of major pests which are occurring in the plant are tried to develop strategies for controlling these pest and diseases so that we can get quality production. When we use this fruit as a medicinal one, we need quality improvement as well as quality fruit without the infestation of pest and diseases which would take care of for the best quality.
It is a crop. Definitely we should take a much interest because not much involved in the cost of cultivation and other thing, and it is a hardy crop because as ICAR is having one ACRP on underdeveloped and unexploited crop.
It's a tremendous change, tremendous knowledge we are having about Noni, and that will help convincing people, including scientists, that what is Noni.
Noni is a wellness, feel-good fruit crop and aspirin of the ancient time. In the present time, it is an immunomodulator.
Noni has been reported actually as useful against several, you can say, diseases. It is having antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal.
Morinda citrifolia is not a single simple drug plant, but it is an immunomodulator plant. It shows all the type of activities which can rejuvenate our body.
Gujarat state tribal use the fruits against cough and cold. Ash of leaf is also made into paste in oil based and applied on boils.
Propagation of the quality plant material on traditional method as well as tissue culture and other methods under a project funded by the National Medicinal Plant Board from the My Center as well as other centers.
Heat loving plant which predominantly come very well in the tropical climatic conditions.
It is a crucial and precious commodity, but for production of this plant, a judicious use of water is very much required.
The strategic research in crop protection in Noni could be on 5 thrust areas.
Till 2007, we were presenting the disease information based on Dr. Scott Nelson publications. Thanks to the Old Noni Research Foundation initiative,
which looks like a pathological one, we can stimulate similar one by keeping the over-ripened fruit near the contact with the stem and the branches.
Regarding the symptomatology, characteristic symptom associated with the disease is characterized by the presence of brown necrotic spots with dark brown margin and gray center. You can see the presence of minute black colored acerulae on the affected leaves, which is subsequently followed by sarcol symptoms.
Total number of insect pests per plant as well as the predator, parasites and all other non-apparently harmless insects also recorded in the Noni farms.
We have good bioproducts based on Pacillomyces rilacinus, which is very good. Then we have Trichoderma hertzianum, a strain which is effective against nematodes, have been developed by the Indian Institute of Horticultural Research.
Tamil, it is called Ven Noni. It is very easily available and you can all utilize it in a scientific way so that we can prolong the use of this and get long-acting varieties so that single dose will be able to help many of the diseases.
Noni acts as a protein regulator. You know the protein is very, very essential for our body, both for intracellular and both for extracellular.
Noni is one of the very famous medicinal plants. It can be used in the traditional medicine for more than 200 years for treatment of variety of diseases.
The freshly grown bacterial culture were serially diluted in the NSS. The culture was swept over the surface of the Mueller-Hinton-Agar plate.
Morinda acetifolia is reported to have inhibiting new angiogenic growth in human cancer, according to Koenig et al. 2003.
Noni contains out of 17 amino acids and all the essential amino acids, which are very much helpful for maintaining the proper body functions.
As Gandhiji said, of the poorest poor woman in India, in our cities, in our states, when you talk about empowerment of women.
We will work hard to take the country to greater heights in all fields.
Stress-free life, eat a healthy, well-balanced diet, eat food at regular intervals, eat the right foods that are high in nutrients and vitamins in the proper quantities, drink Noni juice every day without fail.
Noni also works on our chakras. It helps our body's chakras to balance.
When you think of drudgery, farming of Noni is it appears to be a very woman-friendly activity.
You have Noni promotes the cellular because got serotonin. And it has got sulfaphenes, the structure is here. Sulfaphenes works against cancer.
Need to develop suitable agro techniques under the different agroclimatic conditions and soil conditions for increasing the productivity.
The power of Noni comes from phytochemicals. If we want to add some more products in the future, definitely genomic profiling under Morinda acetifolia is the necessity.
The biotechnological interventions and their applications for value addition to Noni.
Noni leaf is rich source of protein. All the 20 amino acids are present in the Noni leaf, including all essential amino acids.
You will have a live testimonial of Noni users.
મેં અત્યારે નોની મેં બંધ કરી દી અત્યારે મારા ફાધરને કોઈ જાતની તકલીફ નથી. મેં હમણાં છેલ્લો રિપોર્ટ કરાયો, બ્લડ કેન્સરનો નીલ રિપોર્ટ મળી ગયેલ છે. અત્યારે કોઈ જ તકલીફ નથી મારા ફાધરને.
Only one Parle biscuit I could not eat.